Sithokoze makhaya sinilotshise sithabe kukhulu kwamambala ukubuya godu sihlangane nani. Sithokoza ama-likes, sithokoza ama-comments, sithokoza ukushare, sithokoza ukusubscribe ngaphakathi kwehlelo lethu. Njengemhleni-ke navane ngikhamba nobabu Gabela, ubaba uLawrence Gabela, Mr. LG Life is Good. Uyazi ukuthi vane sisikuphathele indaba ezimnandi nawe uzokuthatha isifundo ozosebenzisa empilweni. Umnyaka uyathoma bakwethu, umnyaka ka-2026 siyathokoza uZimu usibabalele eminyakeni ka-2025 wasibusisa wasivulela amathuba. Nanonyaka nje eminyakeni ka-2026 siyathemba ukuthi kuzokuba njalo. And I would like also to welcome our viewers because I'm aware that we also have viewers across the borders. We have the viewers around the countries like Mozambique, Zimbabwe, Namibia, and internationally. So we thank you so much for subscribing on our channel, and we really appreciate for your comments and also following us. You may also share our channel with all of your friends, family, colleagues. This is the platform where we enrich ourselves with a lot of life therapy sessions, motivations, inspirational talks, and we really appreciate for you guys to be part of our conversation. Angisingedwa ke nginobaba Gabela. Baba Gabela siyakwamukela, siyathokoza ukuba nathi.
Ngibonge David.
Niyaphila LG?
Life is good.
Yes.
Impilo yaphambili David. Sithokoza uZimu. It's an opportunity to be here, and thanks for having me. As always, with humility and respect, especially to the audiences, viewers, and community at large. In many aspects, where you reach us.
Yes.
Siyathokoza sithi sanibonani and greetings. I don't know if I should still say compliments.
Yeah, because I think abahola ngi-15 sebaholile, bangi-20, bangi-22, 25, 30. It's our second month in 2026. So probably it will be a bit too late to say compliments.
Now it's gone, David. It's gone. It's going to count down in life. You can't sit in the beginning at the starting blocks forever.
Yes.
Ama-seconds adlulile, yes, but ke laba basathi compliments February sesiya kwenye i-theme ka-February. But anyway, siyabonga ukuthi singene ngamabhabhalazi saphuma, sangena ngama-plans. January city, in the beginning,
yes,
all of us are at equal.
True.
True. Because here it's a base. That's the starter corner. So walala wasala.
Yeah, qiniso lelo. And to appreciate our partners as well, LifeWise has come on board to assist us with the production. Expect more from them. We will educate you guys with their products and their services. You can also visit their website that we're going to share during our conversation, and the contacts and the emails so that you can get in touch with them. Baba Gabela, umnyaka uyathoma, abanye bethu asikawuqedi kuhle. I would like us to kick off with giving hope. You know, sometimes we lose hope, and to lose hope in life, basically you are like a seed that is not planted, because you are not going to show your fruits until you are put in the soil. So hope, it's more of the energy that drives us towards our goals, towards our plans. How do I regain hope in these difficult times? Utema ungene studio, you know what, I just want to check the unemployment stats, which is the most important factor that takes away our hope, because some of our fellows have graduated, they are highly educated, their academic records is good, it's looking good, but opportunities are very limited. We live in a space and time where we see artificial intelligence coming on board, taking over. Some of our brothers and sisters are scared that this thing is going to take their jobs and it's going to leave them unemployed. So we live in a space where we are having so much anxiety. We fear a lot. How do we bring back hope in these hopeless times, such as this one?
Thanks, David. Thanks for the opportunity. Yeah, the question is very difficult because hope is not just a word. hope, it's kind of like an assessment. But when you say you have lost hope, it means then that kunezinto osezicalculateile noma ozibalile ubufune ukuba yizo wathola ngathi uhamba ngo-reverse gear and ebuhlungu ukuzidiscovera ukuthi we are in a hopeless situation. How did we arrive ku-hope to hopeless? Because when we siqala ukucabanga isifiso, i-wishes, sinethemba nokholo or sine-faith, kuya ngokuthi hope ibeka kuphi. Ukuthi njengoba sithi 2026, wena nami siyabala ukuthi in the beginning sonke sine opportunity yokubala unyaka lo sele nge-10 months ukwenza lokhu esihluleke ukukwenza last year ngo-2025 mhlambe nango-2024. Manje masufika kwi-stage sokuthi ukwi-hopeless situation, we need to say that sikusho lokhu ngenhlonipho nokuzwelana ngobuhlungu. Kuba ne-empathy, kube ne-sympathy empilweni. Laba abaluze umsebenzi, ama-calculator lama, yazi masi 33.2% job loss last year. Angizukusho inyanga ngoba mhlawumbe abanye bama-politician or abanye bama-people uyithathela plan, but it's a fact ukuthi masilalela sithi imisebenzi ibe miningi, siyazibuza ukuthi ibe miningi kanjani ngoba thina abaningi esibaziyo abazange baqashwe. Abaningi esibaziko abazange balaste ngomsebenzi, badiliziwe bene-job losses. I-33% le Mthombothi, sibala ukuthi umuntu oyi-1 usebenza eSouth Africa wondla abantu abayingaki, usupport abantu abayingaki. So that's when it becomes a bit emotional, because i-percentage sikhuluma ngabantu la, sikhuluma ngemndeni elahlekelwe i-breadwinner. If ekhaya mina mangisebenza ngisupport abantu abawu-8, should mina mangiluza umsebenzi ngiyi-1, abantu abawu-9 abaluza umsebenzi. So masi 33 last year uyimultiply. Umuntu bese ne-hope ukuthi naye uzovala unyaka enze something. Kunezindlu ezimile, kunabantwana ade beye ema-university, kunabantu ade bethembele kuloya baba loya.
Yes.
Ukuthi ngizoyenza le business zokhona. So i-question yakho ukuthi how do you come back?
Yeah. After so much disappointments.
After so much disappointment. And esikhuluma today, at a later stage, ngizointroduce i-resolution of unemployment rate ebuya kwi-LifeWise.
Okay.
I-company engisebenza kiyo ebuya kwa-LegalWise o-Scorpion bonke la, kodwa ngizokhulumela i-LifeWise ukuthi
yes,
sithe masibona ukuthi abantu abaqasheki, imali incane, safika nga-something yokuthi ungasebenza nathi uzisebenzele wena ngegama lethu, but sizongena lapho ukuthi you use our name ukuthi uye phambili. But masikhuluma under general ke emphakathini abantu ukuthi they are suffering because they are in a hopeless situation.
Yes.
How do you come back? Without a goal, you can't even plan. You need to have a serious, compelling goal. Ezoba smart, with specific, be measurable, be realistic, and even a timeline ukuthi nini. Without ukuthi goal yakho ibe nalo zinto lezo, kuba yibhudango, kuba yiphupho. It's just a dream. And that's what hurts more. Because you keep on hoping, dreaming, when you are planning and you are dreaming.
Yeah, yeah.
Ngazi tu uzongizwa. Abantu abaningi sihlala kwi-zone ye-Babylon, ngingafaki isonto ke la. Sifaka kwi-zone yokukhaya, uthi sikhala kakhulu lapha. Sisijwayele ukukhala, ukuthi sizoya siyofeedwa, but lento is not sustainable. Support oyithola ekhaya kuwe, support oyithola noma kubani, it's not sustainable. I-conditional. If you retrench, bakhiphe flatten, bakhiphe indlu luze izindlu, kunabantu abaluza izindlu.
Yes.
Abantu abaluza imoto. Mina can only accommodate you for just that few. Ukuthi umngani wami ubhuti wami ayi ngizocela sengidinekela ukuthi phela la ekhaya udla kakhulu khohle ukuthi awusebenzi.
Yeah.
So you can't bank kubantu for life. Because it means that every day when you lose yourself because you are trying to please someone so that someone can able to feed you with something.
Yes.
And in that process, kuba na a lot of exploitation and manipulation. Abantu badlala ngawe ngoba bazi ukuthi mawulambile uzoya kibo. So wenza kanje iba ne goal. I-goal lento ukuthi ufuna ukuba yini. I-goal kune business goal, family goal and financial goal. You can bring a lot. But kaningi thina sistaka lapha kwi-memory, kwi-theory. Yazi ngifuna ukuthenga ama-taxi, but sengaka clear ikweletu. You need first, mina, according to me, I must have my own self-assessment, my own one-on-one. Yabona le ndawo le kuthiwa masiyanga le athi hayi ngisaya kwi-private
Yes.
room.
Yes.
Kuwa guest room. La uhlala khona lapha kahle fanele ungene nefone lapha. Fanele ungene uyi-one. Ngoba is the only place la ukwazi ungena khona ungana disturbance.
Yeah, ungene nephepha nencwadi
Yeah, maya wasekho lama abuye abo bathini lama yellow page ama telephone direct book.
Yes, yawasekho.
Wawazi ukuthi mawuthi ayithatha lapha ufunde kancane.
Yes.
Before ulungisa. But asese nayo opportunity to be alone.
Yeah.
You need to be alone. And you need to do corrections, mistakes. Uwazi wena ngoba mina I cannot tell you ukuthi ube nama mistakes.
Yeah.
But inhliziyo yakho izowazi ukuthi ngale yamali wayithola, maybe you could have done something better.
Hlungu ke leyo ngoba le mali we discover maseyiphela ukuthi you just messed up.
Yazi ukhulume nge-consumer wise up.
Yes.
Ngibuya kwa life wise. Ngithema ngikhuluma nge-consumer wise up, not in a context ukuthi ngabe ngazi ukuthi consumer wise up. Ngathi mina abantu baphatha imali njengama peanuts. Yakhumbula? Ngithi umuntu mayiphethe ama peanuts, hayi lawa siwathenga kuma these big shops. Sawasathenga estradini lawa owenza so.
Yeah.
Wadla so.
Yeah. Amanya wela
pha. Yazi mayimaningi kanjani? Awabali. Wala ayawa uyahamba. Mase kusela u7 so dopa ngayi1 so ukuthi. Dopa ngayi1. So injalo ke imali. Ma ungayiplanelanga awungabi nayo igoal. Any transaction is a plan. It becomes a plan. Let me repeat that one. When you don't have a goal, your financial planning, any decision making uyenza ngemali, kube ngathi uaddress ama plans akho kanti no. Ngoba ayikho imali othi accept ke angeke futhi ngikhume ngama sins, tax sins, whatever. But uma umuntu mayisebenzisa imali usukazi uyisebenzisela ngendlela right. But I judge your situation with no. Say no, maybe that one was not a right decision.
Yeah.
So you need to correct your mistakes financially, emotionally, because izinto eziningi zilahleka lapha kwa emotional being lapha. Because uba emotionally hijacked, ufuna uba na everything, ugcine una nothing. Ngoba le mali le awivalue ukuthi uyibala ukuthi every cent to get to that izodingeka. Udle wena lama cent kanti mase kufika bese ushoda nge1 rand.
And widlile wayinyanga.
Angisho udlele imali encane.
Yeah.
Kanti le mali encane iyathi izobuilda imali enkulu. So mangikhuluma ngokuthi ufuna ukwenza something, fanele wenze assessment yalento ofuna ukuyenza. Uhambe uyenze quotation yayo, unganayo. Ake ngiphinde.
Yeah. Phinde.
Ake ngithi ufuna ukwakha umuzi or ufuna ukuthenga umuzi, because the two are not the same. Kunabantu abakha imizi nabathenga imizi, kunabakweleta imizi. Thina abaningi sikweleta imizi. It's okay, lokho kuthiwa ibond. Igama elihle uthi yakweleta abantu balibiza ngebond.
Yeah.
Kufanele ubale ukuthi le mangizowakha lo lendlu le. Ithini size yakhona? It's a goal, I'm right? This house is this size. This size idinga amasemende ayingaka.
Yes.
Wenze yonke calculation bese ikunika then the pricing ukuthi more or less lendlu le akumeze nge2 bed lendlu le izokosta 100,000. And then uphethe 30,000. Then sefanele ubuyele ukuthi no, do I still go ngo2 room at once or ngiqala ngo1 room? uhamba ubuza ukuthi inflation yazi unfortunately thina asifundisiwe funa ngisakhuluma ngokwakha mawuzokwakha wazi ukuthi mawuya kuma hardware bayazi ukuthi every quarter bakhuphula ama price but when I was ugcine wena ngequotation ka quarter ya last year mawuthi uyabuya umangala indlu ayiphelile uwe ubuilder kunomakhi lapha umakhi naye unama rates akhe
Yes.
awafakanga kule plan umangala so rob umntwana omuntu you have robbed that particular poor guy because awuzange umplanele ubuilder should plan ifuna ibe detailed mayingasi detailed it's a dream and that's why as we start now uthi wena bakuloyile or something went wrong ngawe kube ne goal yokuyokweleta indlu to owe a house that's not yours you need to check with, after the bond kunento kuthiwa maintenance yo baba
Yo.
uma indlu akusikudala uyithengile mariyawa because you only measure to wena ifuna 10,000 per month makuthiwa kune
Pipe.
gate asebenza
Yeah.
best pipe geyser electricity uthola igeyser iya best insurance le ayicover or iya cover insurance awunayo lento kuthiwa emergency fund or electoral i-call up fee hlala ngamanzi abandayo all these things fanele uzifake kwi-detail ukuthi after 10,000 kusese nenye 5,000 yokuthi nje mayiphuka leya tile uyayireplace so those are the detailed planning zokwakha if ufuna i-financial goal ufuna ukuthi ngene kuwe ungakangiluzi i-financial goal first you must know ukoloda abantu abayingaka how much do you owe to people including those that are not registered fundisi is expecting imali yakhe awumfakanga la
Yes, it
ama transport okuyesontweni awafakanga la because going to church is expensive these days going to weddings so all those things you need to say out of my 10,000 salary how much money do I spend just on activities before kwizinto eziserious ukuyovakashela cousin and all that asihlangane imali manifika lapha une expectation fana uthenge amanzi une expectation fana uphuze iti how many meetings social meetings do you have fanele uyibale la
In having said that, I think Ubabu Kabela Mbugeli, he is actually spot on because you cannot restore hope or revive your hope if you don't have goals and you don't have plans. How can you have hope on what?
based on what
Based on what?
yeah what were you hoping for because what you were hoping for it's the assessment yeah ignika hopeless or to thumbs up
Yes.
because on that point with how do you come back come back doesn't externally it doesn't depend but within it's internal because you are the one who knows the roadmap yakho
Yes.
so you are the one who says I'm in a hopeless mina ngikubona uright ugqokile uright udlile but wena your subconscious mind
Yeah.
ithi wena awuphumelelile ngithi mina kanjani obunemonto kanti wena ubala amathaya ukuthi imonto yakho aphelile or awunaphelile no that is you need to define lento city maybe that's a way you need to define
Yes.
ukuthi mawuthi hopeless usho ukuthini then so that sokwazi ukweluleka but thina siya generalize ngoba asazi ukuthi iproblem ikuphi wena first you must know who you are kwi one on one yakho what do you have kwi one on one wakho what you don't have kwi one on one remember I said you need to be alone in order to know where you are because la eceleni kuna a lot of disturbances uyafona lo wenzani uyakubuza ugcina uphumile esporweni but no sesporweni you need to see le distance le yabona abantu bamenze I long jump bayimajara la qala before be jump benza so but bakithi so now you need to ukubona ukuthi uNovember lozofika kanjani ngoba enye nenye igoal kufanele ibe ne review either it's a monthly weekly review or quarterly review last uyacheck ukuthi I monitor okay hey chu yazento ngikhuluma nakimi ayu yawesalelwe 1 month uthi city court idlulile
Yes. First
Hayibo.
quarter it will be gone.
so the year then
Ngi-12 zade zamanje February upresident uvula iparliament
isona noma isopha noma isono
isona State of the Nation address.
ngiyadlala isona you know, when you talk about Isona, it's because many things that were said last year, the failure implementation stage, they didn't take off. So nama man's the quarterly review. Haibo, next month is March.
Yes.
So the first quarter is gone.
And financial year yavala.
Haibo.
We start a new financial year.
Now that promise at in the beginning of the year, I was not specific.
Yes. It was not measurable.
And I was not realistic.
Yes. And you're out of time.
And because I'm in a timeline now.
Yes. So it's not smart.
So it's not smart.
It's not.
Hey, Tapit. So how do I correct the first quarter that is almost gone?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe it's to quickly define a goal. Not many goals. Goal.
Yes.
And how do I separate a goal? Ne wish, ne hope. End.
Yeah. I think, Mina Babkabela, I will second your statement when you say we need to plan. Because in planning, actually, it will tell you your resources.
Oh, yes, resources.
Onawo ukuthi azokwazi ukukubeka la ufuna ukuthi uyokufika khona. Ngoba abaningi bethu senza ama plans okumahlelo kodwa namahlelo wethu la asina nhlabagelo ngelimi likama. Yeah, asina nhlabagelo, asina ama resources. Azosiza ukwenza ama goals wethu. Sikhulumela phezulu komuntu olahlekelwe lithemba la. Ozibona angasana kusasa, ozibona angasananto angayenza ngempilo yakhe. Sifuna ukumbuyisa ukuthi ikhona into ongayenza. Asesekhona amathuba. Na ungalungisa indlela ohlela ngayo ama goals wakho. And then indlela yokuhlela yakho iyindlela ekhambisana namandla nelwazi onalo njengomuntu. Ngoba babugabela abantu abaningi ama goals wethu ma wish. Yeah, I wish I can have this. I wish I can get a job. Okay, you get a job, and then what are you going to do after getting a job? Then the another financial plan must kick in because now you have an income. So if you don't have a financial plan, this job is going to be a burden at the end of the day, because at some point you will find yourself working for nothing, but only working for paying debts.
Yes, sir. Yeah. So let me come into that a bit, because if you say you're hopeless, I don't want him to jump. We've got a dosage when diagnosis is not properly done.
Yes, I fully agree.
So we need to go to a diagnosis stage, assessment stage, because omunye umuntu or one person will say, "Ngfailile, man, so I'm hopeless." No. Why don't you go back and reinforce your lama resources akho? Une internet nani isikhathi spend the library singakanani? Because sometimes by failing to plan, we are planning to fail.
Yebo, injalo. And that's why we fail, because we're planning to fail, unaware.
Because there's nothing oyenzayo as a plan. Kule plan le, angifuna ukungena too much academically ukuthi risk assessment and all that. Fanele ubone ukuthi lento le ufuna ukuplana yini academically. Ngokwezemfundo ufailile matric ufele in, mhlambe ufana ukugraduate ube advocate wa fail. So bosothembele khona, but have you assessed to fail so yini? Ukulalela noba ungabe naso isikhathi. I don't believe ukuthi nomntodom. uNkulunkulu wami angikholwa ukuthi uzala umntodom. Umuntu uhlulwe ukuplana yona le ukustudisha.
Yes.
Una whatever 11 months in the year, but kuphela iquarter engakabhalishi assessment. Awayeka umuntu ama assessment acanta uzoyibamba kwi test. Yeah. That's you failing to plan. So, with financial goal, if I work awazi ama debts akho kangakanani, I want to go back what it used to help me to get out of that. Ukubala every cent that I owe. Like I was saying, if you owe a pastor, we expense, ngi-owa udabheti ngi-owa bobani mangiyofika kulama shops and all that ngibabona ukuthi why ngilongihlale ngibakoleta is because mina angiplani shopping njalo mangidlula kwi-mall ngiyadlula sengiyathatha no fanele ngiplane manje shopping njoba ku uFebruary manje kuyashisa ithi ngiyofuna impahla lezi ezise-storeroom ze-winter because ngizothola cheap so i-planning in many ways ukuthi i-timing yokuthenga inini
Yes.
ngoba mawuhamba uvela uthenge nje ungashophi i-comparison kunama online sengikhuluma ngomuntu nje ordinary person awukwazi ukuzothenga kule shop eseduze wakho all the time ungabhekanga kwamanye ama-shop because you find it next day usave 20 rand that 20 rand bekuzokusiza uku-add ku-petrol or so i-planning like you say is key after you know your goals.
I fully agree, Babkabela. Maybe to add on that, because you are also tapping into your strategy, your personal ways of doing things. I think, Mina, when I started to have my own financial plan, the goal I set for myself was every time when I get paid, I'm going to take 10% away
Sure.
from my salary. And then that 10% I treat it as my thank you payment from the very same salary
Yo.
I got from my employer. And that 10% I will pay myself the whole full year, 12 months. Because ngivuke kumakhaza ngachiswa langa kwesinye isikhathi bengigula ngaziphucha. So I'm just saying
like
thank
that.
you to myself and say this is my 10% paying myself. And I managed to do that for the next 5 years. And then when I look back at how much I managed to save, I use that money as my funding to start another business, a side hustle.
How?
But it started from the 10%
Hey.
that I saved.
Oh.
So I'm just adding on what you are saying, Babkabela, ukuthi this is way important, because if you don't have these things as kulmangas, your hope will never get energized.
And it won't reach the fruition stage.
No, you will never, because you're already down. You don't have something ovuka ngayo. Ukuthi you know what, ngiyavuka manje. Ngivuka ngoba at least ngisasebenza, mara kulo msebenzi wami ngiyozibekela 2% or ngiyozibekela 3% or ngiyozibekela 5%. Mina just said 10% because my salary was allowing me at least to manage to save 10% from my income. So when I ngaba 5%, that's supposed to give you hope. Ukuthi at least ngisazokhona ukuzibekela 5%.
Yazi Dabetu ushaya mina manje lapha. Ukhuluma ukwa-specific wena.
Yes.
Smart. What specifically did you do? Wenzeni?
Yes.
Ngoba akekho umuntu ongayibamba imali kambe ne?
Sayithola sonke.
Ukuthi uyibamba udla konke wena. Ungashi next. So leya 10% at the end of the day ifana ne-emergency fund yakho. Mali ngaphukanga ke legiza awuyidonsi leya mali uyayibeka igcine sezala interest over interest kuthiwa bo-compound interest ngoba ayithintwa leya mali. Uthole ne-financial planner seyikufonela uyabona ukuthi lapha le mali yakhe yakhula idisturbiwe. So but I must then guess kuwe kule mali hayi ukuthi ayingekho ama-emergency fund, hayi ukuthi kwakungashonwanga, hayi ukuthi there was a time la kuthiwa khona there was no need ukuthi bekuyimali eningi esele wena, because we are saying something now ukuthi when you set up your financial goal as an employee umsebenzi ungathi uhola 10,000 uthi wena ama-goals akho or ama-financial commitments akho azothi 10,000 shuthi uthi kimi isalary yami nama-financial commitment yami zingalingani. Ama-commitments fana bengaphansi kwesalary, isalary ibe ngaphezulu, zingabi ku-equilibrium, zingalingani. Uma zilingana ikuyashisa enye izosuke ibe ngaphezulu. So
Yes.
you had to put this money wakhatha ukuthi angizothenga impahla so angizothenga igrocery so konke kuzolingana kwa 6,000 as an example from 10,000 engenayo. Wow.
Yeah.
So wakwazi ukubeka 1,000 ku
Yes.
10,000
Yes.
and then waphindwa mbeka then ngo 12 months wasithola no 12,000.
Yes.
So I must say should wakhatha nane airtime usage ngoba manje ukhuluma ngama resource
Unnecessary trip.
ngakhatha ama trips ngakhatha ipetrol mhlambe ngakhatha nana amafoni amanye ngastika kule ngaphuma kule type. Wow, so you had to do a lot of
I
assessment
was specific.
uthi le gole ingadisturbeki. Oh, I ungifundisile topic. I think yimi fanele ngize ngakuwo.
So now, let's question kuwe babgabela, because there might be a viewer at home and say, ngiyanizwa niyakhuluma ngama savings ama 10%, 5%. From kumholo njani? From kumholo mophi? Ngoba kwawona mholo lo enguthola kuthatha konke. Akunakuthi umuntu angakhona ukusave anything akusaveki namhlanje. You know, I was on another seminar the other day and I was discussing something like this. Omunye ubaba uphamisa isadla. Uthi Mthombo uthi sibeke just 10%.
Ibuya kuphi?
Ngoba kwale 10% engibhalwa kuyibeka kulomholo enguholako. So silula njani? I mean,
ngifuna ukukunika i-reference ekule kodwa ngizogcina ngayo i-last la nizosithola khona. Ngeke ngenze example ngomunye umsebenzi wayesebenza ecompany nenye ngiyibize because of commercial reasons. Lo baba lo kodwa wayi-security lo baba. Ngiphendula lo mbuzo uthi njani ngoba enye nenye income ohola 1,000 beka 100 rand. That's an answer nje kuloya baba.
That's an answer.
Mohola 2,000 beka 200 rand. Bonganayo ngisho. Phela enye nenye imali enganayo kuwe kade ungenayo is a surplus. Imali ade ungenayo. Mawuhlala uthi ngiboleke 150 sungathi ngiboleke. Ngikuphi imali ade ungenayo? Iningi 150 nginika yona. But mase nginika 150 why uyidla yonke? Why ungashiyi 20 rand kule 150?
Eish.
Angisho ngikuboleke 150. Yeah, angifuni ukuthi beka 15 rand. Beka 20 rand usale nge150. Why uyidla yonke? Thina into problem esisisi.
And lento engidla ngayo iyayifaka leyo 15 rand engihluleka kuyibeka.
I-problem ukuthi sifuna thina usithi kunemali eningi before you save. Kanti akusebenzi kanjalo. Kunemali eningi before you save. Hayi.
Oh yeah.
Angiphela besingesibe nazo inhlelo lezi angizipromote ekuthiwa how did I blew it.
Yes. Yes, that's true.
So i-discipline yakho ke, let me answer you, is key to success. If you are not self-disciplined, uzophapha uthi nginemali so bese uyayisebenzisa.
Alright.
I-discipline is about controls. If you don't have controls of your emotions and your behavior, you are not going to get anywhere. Because uthola imali eningi uthona incane because of awunama controls, awunama limits. You need to have limits. I learn ekhaya kuqala ngediscipline. Makuthiwa Wednesday sidla ibhotoro nesinkwa. Akube njalo. Kungathi ke wena namhlanje ubuzwe kumnandi bese uthi ufuna ukuyolanda ipizza. Isikhathi sepizza. Fanele sazi ukuthi singena kayi1 or not anyway manivela lapha idiscipline yabona?
Yes.
Nivela lapha ukupheka bese nizonza nini?
So order.
Niya order. I-discipline ke I think Kim yiyo key ngoba i-discipline issued ukuzazi ukuthi ngubani. You need to know who you are first. Because when you know who you are, then you know where you want to be. Otherwise every direction will lead you anywhere. And you'll end up being at nowhere stage.
True.
And that's when you regret.
Fully agree.
And more regret, that's why uthi hopeless. That's why you start manje wenzani uba i-victim. Usole abantu ukuthi abantu abenza ukuthi beso. Abantu, that's why ngithe ekuqaleni uba consistent. Ngithe the most important thing is your inner person.
Yes.
Mawuzazi ukuthi ubani wena, then you can able to decide ukuthi what do you want. But you can't have everything.
LG ikhuluma kamnandi ngombana ayiqali ihlangothi lemali kuphela. Even ama plans esinawo, ama personal plans
Yes.
esinawo. Mhlambe you were not so committed. you were not disciplined. That is why some of the things zithe ukulimala phakathi komnyaka odlulile. And now umnyaka uphelile uthoma omunye omutsha, uthoma on a low self-esteem. It's because you were lacking discipline.
Yes.
So discipline actually nangiyiqalile. Discipline is what Babgabela is actually a protection that we are not even aware of, because discipline in protector ekutheni ngibalekele ingozi ezakho. Ngifuna uyithathe lapha Babgabela, ngifuna uyiyeke phakathi. Wabona ukuthi ngikuphushela ukuthi iqhube le ndaba ye discipline, because discipline abaningi sithatha isifu ngathi isijeziso. Hayi, wayimele ngibe discipline ngemali ami ngiyisebenzele mos. Wayimele ngibe discipline ngesikhathi sami, isikhathi sami usimele ngifuna ukufika ngesikhathi engifuna ufika ngaso. Wayimele ngibe discipline abantwana abangibami. But discipline actually it's protecting you from losing what you have.
Discipline is protecting you to gain what you want to gain and protect what you already have. Because through discipline, you can able to kind of like control yourself, kind of like get a roadmap. Ngoba mongana roadmap, should you can park anywhere, you can take any direction. So discipline exists in a direction. Discipline exists in the protection. We sure good. Because you are disciplined, you are able to safeguard, protect local sekukhona. Ngoba mongana discipline, but if ale uladliwa ihlakaniphi, uzogcina le very same money encane khona. Uyisebenze recklessly obuchapa, uyisebenze ngendlela engasi right. And then that's when regret is overlap. That's when regret is ofika nani? Na stress ofika nani? Ne depression ofika nani? Nama trauma ofika nani? Nama unforeseen diseases. And the unforeseen disease ofika nama medical cost implication. Medical cost implication is ofika ne graveyard. And then so without discipline, you are inviting other unnecessary troubles. Ngoba awutshelwa, because it's yours. Discipline, it says what you have is not enough, but don't spend because you don't have. What you want to attract as well, or to attain, okuthola, kufuna discipline. So discipline is a cornerstone. It is at the center of everything that you want to do. Discipline ye esho ukuthi noma ungabona umuntu enza something leyo ifunayo, but it's not yet your discipline, say you have not started to put ama resources of implementation. Ngoba anything ozoyirasha because you lack discipline yokuplanner, then uzoyenza lento besiyawa, and into ewile kunzima kuyi-rebuild.
Wow. This also talks to you if you are a student at varsity, it's your first year or it's your second year and you didn't do well. So basically check your discipline strategy. If were you honest enough to yourself to be disciplined, to do your schoolwork diligently and committed. Uthe uzosazisa Babgabela, mina I'm looking at LifeWise.
LifeWise, the company over 18 years. Sister company yayo Legalwise over 40 years.
Okay.
Motherboard ngathi uLiza, LEZA, Liza Group. Kuno Legalwise, LifeWise, Scorpion, Hollard, and so the company na 18 years. The company le focus kuma funeral plans, and then Legalwise funeral plans as well as illegal product.
Yeah.
And nabo Scorpion. So Tina si pusha u funeral, but we'll come to tell you what it is in the next plan. But for now, what I'm happy with ile esiqala ukuthi abantu ngoba unemployment rate is so high. Jewasisho. If une interest yokuthengisa ama-police, you don't need to be full time, you don't need to be young or old, as long as une passion yokuthengisa. Matric is a recommendation even. Uma matric, it's fine. There is no assessment, and then we'll give you njenge-page lesike ukuthi usithola kuphi, sibiza ukuthi independent advisor. Zokunika yona ithi sibiza ukuthi IA model.
Okay.
Independent advisor, meaning that you can sell without having to be a full member.
Nje namba ukugabela ngangena.
Exactly. It's
ukuthengisa into zami, ukuthengisa ngiyakuthanda.
And besides we're not kunabantu bahola.
Yeah, imali ayikabhala
professional, but ayilingani imali. So sithina, if you know any client or any possible, especially we government sector, sikunika i-commission upfront zona ukuthi mawubhala i-premium sothola 8 commission, usithola kuphi. I think njengamanje ngisho ngithi usithola ia-recruitment@staylifewise.co.za.
That's an email address ekufanele umuntu athumele kiyo.
Oh, yes.
Uthumela uthini? Uthi I'm interested.
Yeah, I mean uyabhala I'm interested, load CV yakho lapha.
Okay.
And then siyakuresponda, and then bakune guidelines ye-training tuzoba nini training, uthola i-code yakho kwi-phone yakho, aziyasha iyangena i-app, uyangena kithi uthi ama-products ayavela ukuthi product 1 imali so, product 2 imali so, product 3 imali so. That itself izosiza ukuthi abantu abangasebenzi kube na something ukuthi abayenzayo, and you can build yourself a career around this.
True.
Ube your own entrepreneur, uyasebenza ngapha, but nangapha at your spare time uyakwazi ukuyothengisa, or online manje uyakwazi ukukhuluma nabantu ukuthi no ngine product eso, ngoba it is highly competitive the pricing. We next masukhuluma ngayo nje straight, but njengamanje ungangena kwi-email address ukunika ukuthi na masese ku-YouTube uthi ngena kanjani IA recruitment at
staylifewise.co.za.
Yeah, recruitment ia-recruitment@staylifewise.co.za.
Yeah, so mbukeli khulukhulu ke bantu abatsha enhlezi emakhaya, this is a great opportunity I would like you guys to grab, and ngiyacabanga ukuthi ukuthengisa manje siyathengisa, bangakho abantu bathumele esitolo sezambatho simbetheko bakubuza endleleni ukuthi i-hairstyle le uyenze kuphi, wabathumele salon kolo yokhamba ngayo bakubuza ukuthi uthenge kuphi or uyiservice kuphi, yabatshela. But the more you refer people to other people's businesses, awutholi next. This is a great opportunity where you can do business for yourself. Yabo, and then I like ukuthi iLifewise, it's a legit company where you know ukuthi ipolice omunye nomunye umuntu ayithetheko iyokhambisana nama benefits, actually nama needs afuna ukubenefita kiwo as a family. Yeah.
And that itself, because so in a very sequence steps would qala lo fikela next week or next episode. Lento le ngibukile ukuthi mthombo ukuthi kunabantu abahola but ama financial constraints ababambile. So this is something that can help you to set goals now, uqala ukubeka imali yakho. Number 2, kubhlungu ukungcwaba ngesikweletu.
True.
Sika 36 months.
Yeah.
Ama interest alapha nobhlungu they bakudonsela. Mangashona umunye umuntu, I don't say, but the financial planning so wazi ukunika ni guideline to say how to plan, how to budget, how to do and many things.
Yeah. Sifike ekugcineni ngaleyo ndlela, sithokoza abasekeli bethu esikhamba nabo ngaphakathi kwehlelo iLifewise. Njengoba nobabugabela atsho ukuthi sizoyi-unpack, umnyaka usesemude. Mhlambe nawe nje you just heard about this opportunity, sikhuluma nje, you want to know more. So basically it says you must subscribe, you must comment, ask questions, then we'll make a follow-up. Don't forget, i-email esikhulumileko, you can reverse the video just to get the email again, and then it's gonna be on the screen as well, so that you can just take it down and try your luck. You know, you'll find ukuthi you are the best next salesperson on earth. Esingamaziko ofihleke la ufihleke khona. Babugabela amagama wokugcina, just bringing hope to someone who was following our conversation.
Hope is found what discipline. Hope is regained from the hopeless when you know what went wrong and what you want. And in closing, final, hope, it says it's never too late. You still have a lot of opportunities. Be who you want to be. Until the fat lady sings,
Yeah.
it's not over.
It's not over.
And God has never said it's over.
No.
Ngiyangibeza ukuthi bathi God until it's over. God une-eternal life. Ayikho into ukuthi God is what it's over.
No.
Umoya omubi uthi over. So vuka usithathe. Sithokoze ehlelweni lase kungakwethu kuhambela ekhaya.
Kungakwethu babugabela.
Awu siyathokoza.
Yes, thokoze khuluma mbala mbukeli wahlelo ngakwethu, ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, ungakhohlwa ukulike, ungakhohlwa ucomment, and ungakhohlwa nokuyisharela nabanye abantu. So kuyahlangana godu ku-episode elandelako. Sithokozile ukusibekela indlebe nokusibukela. Akube mhlophe konke lapho.
Good life.
Yes.
Life is good.
This is Good Life Media babugabela. Life is good.
Siyabonga.
Sithokozile.